Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like smiling?
Yes, I enjoy it because it allows me to express my joy and happiness, express positive emotions, and communicate with others. It can also help people feel more at ease in social situations and foster trust.
Question number 2. Do you always smile?
No, I'm not always happy. Smiling is a great way to express positive emotions and build trust, but it's not always appropriate, such as when you're serious or focused on a task.
Question number 3. What can make you smile?
Spending time with friends and family, listening to music, watching funny movies, going on an adventure, or simply appreciating the little things in life can all make me smile.
Question number 4. Do you smile while taking photos?
Yes, I do, because smiling captures the joy of the moment and helps to create a more natural, authentic look in photographs.
Question number 5. When do people smile at others?
When people are friendly and happy, they usually smile at others. Smiling is an excellent way to express openness and welcome, as well as appreciation or gratitude.
Question number 6. Can you recognize a fake smile?
Yes, because fake smiles often lack the natural crinkling around the eyes that genuine smiles have, making them appear more forced or strained.
Question number 7. When was the last time you saw a group of people smiling?
I last saw a large group of people smiling at a family gathering. Everyone was smiling and laughing, and the good vibes were contagious. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.